Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the best monthly dividend stocks, and these are going to be stocks that have performed very well in the past, at the very least in a stable manner, and also pay out a really nice high dividend, and their dividend payments are on a monthly basis. So every month you'll be getting those dividend returns, and that's huge because that can actually act as income, right? So when you see the number of the total yield, right, like here 5.69%, that's divided by obviously 12 months, and you'll get a percentage of that every month for the entire year, right? So first company here is going to be Main Street Capital Corporation. If we take a look at the chart, really nice returns. Since 2008 here, it's gone up 336%. Very stable, no major ups and downs or anything like that. And on top of that, we've got a 5.69% dividend, which is just huge considering the stability of the stock and the fact that it actually increases, it looks like, over time pretty consistently. And if we divide that dividend by 12, that's almost a 0.5% return every single month on your investment. So very, very strong monthly dividend stock there to start off. Next up, we have Realty Income Corp. Its ticker is O. You may have heard about this one before. It's pretty popular. This is actually one of the best dividend stocks in the entire stock market. It's one of the dividend aristocrats, which we'll get into what that means in just a second, but it pays a dividend yield of 3.6%, so a little bit less than the one that I just showed you. But the big thing with Realty Income is not only does it have this very stable dividend that it pays out, on a monthly basis, but we have just enormous returns since it's publicly traded. And back in 2008, if we look, we've gone up 371% since then. Another huge thing with Realty Income Corp is not only does the stock go up over time, it actually is very strong in bear markets, right? So back here in 2008, obviously, we only dropped around 33%. So that's pretty amazing considering all the benefits of the stock itself. And if we go and take a look at their website, they're literally called the Monthly Dividend Company. That's their motto, and they have a fantastic proven return of 16.8% on a compound average annual. So basically, with compounding and dividend compounding, it's returned 16.8% on an annual basis since 1994, and that actually beats the market, which is pretty amazing. So if we go ahead and take a look at the next stock here, we've got Pembina Pipeline Corp. This is going to be a pipeline transport company, and what I like about the stocks that I picked here, I take a lot of time to research these stocks and look at the historical performance. So make sure to leave a like for the hard work. But I also picked a diversified basket of stocks here, so you're not just investing in only real estate stocks or anything like that, which is pretty typical for monthly dividend stocks. These are stocks in a variety of sectors, and that's also something really to keep in mind here with a portfolio like this one, for example. Obviously, this isn't investment advice. This is just my personal opinion. But stock ticker PBA here got a 4.86% dividend yield paid on a monthly basis, right? So like I said, this is paid over the course of a year, that 4.86%, but divide that by 12 and you'll get your monthly return. Now, this one, very stable return, no major increases, and it did take a hit here on the 2014 drop. But overall, right, since then, very steady, even has gone up and pays out this really nice monthly dividend. This is a oil-based company, so I think that, you're not going to find many stocks like these that pay out dividends on the monthly basis and then have, the stability to show, its worth, right? So that is worth something in and of itself. Next up, we've got an Eaton Vance tax managed fund. Ticker is ETV. And this one pays out a really big, almost 9% dividend. It did take a hit back in 2008, right? It did drop around 46%, which is pretty typical for a lot of companies during that 2008 crash. But since then, it made nearly a full recovery and actually has been relatively flat since then, which isn't really a problem because although you're maybe not getting that stock growth, in and of itself, that dividend, speaks for itself. It's a huge dividend, and it has monthly payouts. So I don't think you can go wrong with something like that, especially proven that it's been able to survive that 2008 crash and has been stable ever since then. I think that's a very good sign. Next up, we got Shaw Communications. This is a Canadian-based telecommunications company. So once again, got some diversification there. 4.46% dividend yield. This one has even had some nice stock increases over time. More recently, it's been pretty stable with some ups and downs here and there. Once again, we got that monthly dividend to compensate for any bear market times where it drops a bit, right? And that completes our list for today, everyone. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Also, make sure to check out my technical analysis master course. This is my ultimate guide to technical analysis. It features everything I've learned over all of my years of trading, buying and selling opportunities, how to spot trends, candlesticks, a whole bunch of indicators. We've got everything in here, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guaranteed, so you literally lose nothing by giving it a try at the very least. And also make sure to follow me on Twitter for market updates and content updates. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.